swimming pool costs 2026. We're based in Kingsburg, California. Our range for a swimming pool for our average pool, now they could definitely go much higher than this, but average, I'd say 95% of our builds are going to fall in that $55,000 range to $80,000 range. To give you an idea what a pool like that would be, we're talking like a 15-foot by 30-foot pool, 3 to 5 feet of decking around the pool, maybe a small ball house shelf, and maybe a small raised wall with some water features. As you go up in the spectrum of price, of course you could add more features. So features like fire bowls, people like fire pits. You could do a gas fire pit if you don't want the wood burning. Just a larger pool in general, a deeper pool. For about every foot deeper you go, we add about $1,000 in cost. Our standard depth on our pools are 6 feet. So if you go 7 feet, 8 feet, you add $1,000 per foot. So those are the variables that will really increase the pool from like $55,000 to $80,000 range. When it comes to swimming pool and spa builds, California, in 2026, a new law is going into effect where you can't have just a standalone gas pool heater or spa heater. You have to have a secondary unit that's either solar, so on the roof where the water pipes through and goes through a solar unit, or a heat pump. You could plan on additional costs for a spa now in the $3,000 to $6,000 range. Our swimming pool spa combo builds were starting around the $80,000 range up to about $100,000. That's probably changing in 2026 to be more like 85 to maybe 105, just add about 5K onto that. And again, the variables that affect the pool spa combo costs are the same that affect the pool cost. What's the general size? What sort of features do we have? Do we have fire features? Do we have a unique large shape to the pool area? Is the spa oversized? One of the biggest price adjusters is concrete and deck. So you could go from maybe 300 to 500 square feet of concrete, which is kind of like on the smaller standard size pool, to 1,500 to 2,000 square feet of concrete. That's going to drastically kick up your cost of your pool by easily, 10,000 just in concrete. So there's a lot of factors that come into play like that. Access to your backyard. Is it going to be easy to get our excavation equipment to the backyard to dig the pool? If we have to bring in smaller equipment, it's going to be more labor, more days on the job, which also adjusts the overall cost of the pool build. So that could easily, if you have a small access to your backyard, that could easily double the cost of the excavation. How much demo needs to be done before we start building the pool? Is there a lot of concrete that needs to be taken up? Is there a lot of greenery and trees and shrubs in the way? These are all variables to think of. Just to give you a rough idea, 2026, $55,000 to $80,000 for a pool on average. A lot of our builds, we do get down closer to that 55 to 60, 55 to 65, just so you know. So that's very doable. That's not unrealistic for us. It's still a custom build. It's still a beautiful pool. And pool spa combo, let's call it 85 to maybe 105. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys following us. So if you are a new viewer, go ahead and subscribe, like the video. We do a lot of behind the scenes on swimming pool construction. We show you our swimming pool excavations, the gunite process, some behind the scenes on tile. We're gonna get into more behind the scenes on design and kind of show you our brainstorming and rationale for our designs as well. So once again, thank you, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.